You may or may not have seen these before, but these are called meteor poi. And what I love about meteor poi is the fact that they're evenly weighted on each side. So if you grab the middle, it kind of acts like you're holding 2 poi in each hand, which is 4 poi altogether. What I also love about them is you can hold one end and then they play like you're holding 2 poi as normal, kind of acting like one side is the knob. Or you could hold the middle in one hand and the other end in the other. And then it kind of plays like this is 3 poi. But of course, I love switching between all of them.